Greetings of the day. Today's topic is Andhra Pradesh cuisine. It is in Unit 2. The cuisine of Andhra is based mostly on regional variation, its rich cultural heritage, and the influence of the royal recipe from the Nawabs. The cuisine of Andhra Pradesh is mixed between the eating habits of Hindus and Muslim style of eating. The Nawabs and Sultan who ruled over the Deccan brought some of the best cook from all over the country to make the Deccan the food capital. Regional cuisine at Andhra. The cuisine of Andhra Pradesh can be broadly classified into four regions: Costa, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Rayalaseema. The coastal region, Costa, is endowed with plenty of natural resources, hence, the cooking and preserving method are highly sophisticated. The recipes of Andhra Pradesh coastal region consist of seafoods mainly, along with cereals and lentils. In coastal region, the poor and rich enjoy rice as a staple food. Rayalaseema has its own culinary delights due to the region dry and arid area. The level of pungency and spice is highly in foods here. Popular dishes from the Rayalaseema region are the Alsandala vada, patila kudu, brain fry, liver fry, and prawn igudu, which can be combined with sajja or jona rotis. On the other hand, due to the Islamic dynasties ranging over centuries, the Telangana region has a distinct Mughlai flavor. In the Telugu cuisine of Telangana region, meats play a dominating role. Hyderabadi cuisine that has carved its own niche among Indian cuisines. Equipments. Chippa. This is a clay pot that is a wok shaped and is used for cooking chippa gosht, a lamb dish that gives its name from the equipment. Tathi. This is a metal stand similar to barbecue griller which is placed in smoldering charcoals to grill kebab. Tiragli. This is a stone mill that is used grinding rice to a perfect consistency for certain desserts such as adhirasam. Too fine powder would make the dessert too sticky to eat, and too coarse a powder would not allow to it to shape properly. Kavam. This is a kind of churner used for churning buttermilk. It is nearly similar to whisk. It is manually twisted between the palms for churning the liquid food, for example, churning of yogurt, making buttermilk. Punganalu. This equipment is made up of cast iron and is used for making a dish called Punganalu, which is eaten for breakfast. Jadilu. This is traditional pickle jars used to store home made pickles. These are made from ceramic as it does not react with pickles. Rolu. This is a stone mortar and pestle and is used for grinding whole spices and making chutneys. Cuisine characteristics. Rice is the staple food of the region. The cuisine of Andhra Pradesh is mostly vegetarian, but the coastal areas have a vast repertoire of seafood preparation. Food and prawns are major seafood eaten here. They are mainly found with curries in sesame and coconut oil, along with grounded pepper flavor are eaten with rice. Red chilies are predominantly used in the cuisine, making it one of the hottest and spiciest. The chilies grow well in the Guntur region. Pickles are an essential part of the cuisine, and the variety is countless. Pudis, a mixture of various ingredients which is dried and broiled and powdered, are the important as pickle. These homemade pudis are sprinkled over rice and dollop of pure ghee is offered, which is also mixed with pudi and rice and eaten. A meal in Andhra. Breakfast. Idlis are commonly eaten as a breakfast item, and sambar and coconut chutney, called kobadi pishadi in Telugu. Chili powder and ginger chutney are other chutneys that can be eaten along with idlis. Lunch is an elaborate affair in many households. Lunch items are served on a single plate on a specific arrangement. Curries and pappu are placed on right of the dinner, while pickles and pudi are placed on the left. Special items such as poli hoda and garelu are placed at the top right. A large scoop of rice is placed in middle. Small amount of pulsu ghee and buttermilk are typically sprinkled onto the leaf. The ghee is mixed with every item except peregu. Andhra dessert, borelu, a mixture of boiled chana dal, jaggery, elaichi, ghee coated in rice, flour, batter and deep fried. Potharakelu. Potharakelu is a popular dessert made in Andhra in India. Potharakelu is made of rice starch, sugar powder and ghee and cardamom powder. Paisam, it is kheer. Gevalu, shell-shaped sweet made from using rice flour, ghee, jaggery. Rava Keshri, Shira, Kobadi Laddu, coconut laddu. Thank you.